welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacia. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not new here, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing a wig transformation video. Yeah, this wig was rough. It was just real rough. So this video is kind of geared towards, you know, old wigs that you have in the bottom of your sink or your little hair bag. I have a hair box and it's underneath my sink, girl. So I was going through that, basically pulled out this wig. This wig has been through so much. It's been dyed 3 or 4 times, watercolored and painted. The lace is all wrong. I've probably had this wig for about 3 to 4 years. Yikes. So if you're interested in seeing how I transform the wig into this, then keep on watching. We don't care about him tonight. We're going out of ourselves. Can you feel it? Almost like I don't know. Okay, I've been trying to like, girl, what's going on? But we're gonna transform this wig. So I want to show you guys the wig I'm working with. If I can find where I actually got this from, I will go ahead and link it down below. But I don't know right now. So this wig is so old. It has been through so much. This is the bottom of my sink. I dyed this hair. Originally, it was just, you know, a plain blonde wig. And I was going for like that coppery brown color right here. But it didn't work. It turned out being like an orange color, which was, you know, I mean, it was cute. I didn't really like it, but you know, it wasn't horrible. I bought this when I didn't know how to put lace wigs down. So the lace is cut completely wrong. It's just a hot mess. It's just in shambles. I tried to watercolor it, didn't work out. Couldn't get it. And then I tried to go back because it was like a reddish orange and then dye it a darker red color, and it's like I don't know. But she's cute, As you can see, she's a mess. Like, baby, look at the lace. Look at the lace. I already have, as you can see, my wig cap down. I'm gonna tighten the wig a little bit because my head's big, but it's not like not tighten your wig big, you know? You got a big dome if you don't have to tighten your wig. That's okay. That's okay. It's less work, but you got a big dome. Charlie crazy. Alrighty. So like I said, I'm not gonna lay it down right this second. I know I'm not gonna be able to wear it in the middle part because baby, look at that. So I am going to wear it in a side part. I'm gonna press the roots down a little bit just to make sure I'm gonna like this. Know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Let's go a little crazy. So when I try to lay my wigs, because I'm not the best at laying wigs, when I try to lay them, I lay them all the way back. That way I can decipher between, you know, baby hair or... So like I said earlier, I originally had tried to cut bangs into this. And I don't know, I might see what the bangs look like afterwards, after I like lay it all. And if I like them, we may do a bang look. Because I don't know what I'm doing with this hair yet. I don't know. So I am also, just in case I didn't say, I am using the new Got2b, the Flex Instant Home. I know we're acting stupid. I think I like this because it dries so fast. I mean, it even says.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, 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 now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh.
Okay, so after completely straightening the wig, this is what we're looking like. Self doesn't look bad. Like, it's a little janky on this side because I'm about to do something with the hair itself, and I won't really need to see this. Key is if you have at least just a little piece of lace. You don't need a lot, just a little piece of lace. You're in there. You're in there. Now, if your side looks good, either or, then you're good to go because you can always cover it up. I'm going to show you how everything is giving the girls very much bulb, okay? Y'all look at the middle of this. So of course I have other wigs. I really just decided to do this just to see if I could revamp an old wig if I really had to. We've all been there. A wig has been late, or if you're scared to order something because of everything that's going on, or if you just are cleaning out your wig collection, you're like, I wonder if this should be trash or if I should try to revamp this. So that's why I'm doing this. No other reason than why not. And if you don't have the money to buy a new wig, girl, revamp your wig. You'll be fine. You'll be okay. You'll be new. So with that being said, I'm gonna show you how we fix all this. Oh, child. And you can tell this is before I knew how to cut lace because what is this? What is this? When in doubt, swoop it out. So we're gonna take this right here, and this is going to be our bang. We're gonna kind of just whoop-de-whoop the rest of it. We're just gonna swoop it up like we would if we had a swoop. I am gonna try to press it down as much as I can first.
We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds.
Y'all are sitting at home judging me about this wig because obviously you knew it was a bad wig or you wouldn't have clicked on the video. I'm gonna take my wax stick and blah 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 blah.
Flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces.
And then if that's where I want it, I'm just gonna spray it.
I know we're acting stupid. Being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish. But I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care.
Okay, so I pinned it back and here's what the wig looks like. So, yeah. I think versus what it looked like before, I think it looks cute. I think it did a good job. Now, the only thing about this is the end. Okay, so I pretty much did these ends. So these ones aren't as bad. I'm not a cutter, so you know, they're as good as they're gonna get from me anyways. If you're a cutter, then you know, work with what you got. But for this side, I'm just gonna kind of go ahead and trim this also. Again, let's be real. I have no clue what I'm doing at all, not even a little bit. I'm probably making it worse. But we're just gonna keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Actually, honestly, y'all, that's probably as good as we're gonna get from me. If you guys want to do better, go ahead. If you want to cut some layers in it, do your thing. But it's a no for me, so we're gonna be done. But oh my goodness, isn't this so cute? I feel like it turned out really freaking cute. Now I'm really happy because y'all, this wig. I mean, if you move the lace, is throw it away. But like, this was a cute little transformation. I like. Alright guys, that's pretty much the end of this video. If you did like this video, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, you know, comment down below. You know, let me know what you think. If you like the red, anything that you do, or anything you would do different if you were in my situation or if you were revamping your wig. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, don't do anything I wouldn't do. And if you do, do it twice. Bye.